Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Rome's for You. Let's look at how to install latest Corvus OS 16 on Xiaomi Poco F1. The ROM is based upon Android 11 and it is unofficial for now. So, before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. Also, you can join my Telegram channel from the description for more questions. So to begin with, we need to have the ROM file and GApps and recovery. All these files are linked in the description. Once these files are downloaded and moved into your micro SD card, now let's quickly remove all security measures from your phone, including Google account and MI account if you are from MIUI, and power off your device once all these are done. Now press and hold power button followed by the volume up key till you see the boot logo. Once you are in TWRP, first is to flash latest TWRP file which you have already downloaded from the description. So now select install and select install image from the right bottom. Now navigate into recovery file. Select the file and select recovery. Now swipe to flash. Once flashing finishes, reboot your recovery once. Once you are back into recovery, now is the time to flash your ROM file. Select wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data, internal storage. Since I am doing a clean flash, I am wiping internal storage since my internal is already encrypted. If yours is not, you can skip this internal storage wipe. Once that done, select home and select install and navigate into your ROM file. Select ROM file and swipe to flash. Wait until flashing finishes. Once that is done, make sure that there is no errors noticed. If you don't want to flash GApps, you can wipe Dalvik from here and reboot your device into system. But I am flashing GApps here and it is Flame GApps. For Nick GApps, steps are bit different, else you will end up with errors. We will discuss that in a moment. Now select GApp file and swipe to flash. Wait until recovery finish flashing GApps. Once done, flash any DFE if you want your phone to be de-encrypted. I don't prefer to keep data de-encrypted for daily using phone, so not flashing any DFE now. Once GApps finishes, clear cache and Dalvik and reboot system. As usual, since it is first boot, it can take more time. So be patient. While ROM boots up, let's talk about some important points which you have to follow while flashing this ROM. First is to use the same TWRP version which I am using. You can download it from the description, else you will end up in TWRP boot loop. I have already tried with TWRP 3.4, 3.5.0 and Orange Fox R11, but any of these didn't give me any luck with ROM booting. Second is using Nix GApps. If you want to use Nix GApps instead of Flame GApps, after flashing ROM, reboot your phone into system. Let the vanilla version of the ROM boot up. Once boot up finishes, reboot your phone into recovery by pressing and holding power button followed by the volume up key. Once you are in TWRP, again flash Nix GApps variant which you needed and do a factory reset from the wipe option. After, you can reboot your phone into system. These 2 points are important here. Here it is, the boot logo. Let me quickly finish the startup steps and come back. Now let's get into about phone session. Here it is, the latest CurveSoy 16 running on Xiaomi Poco F1. I'll be making a review of this ROM very soon. So if you are not yet subscribed my channel, consider subscribing it. That's it guys. Till next time, be safe and take care.